we'll guide you through how to remove extension from Blender. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, tap the Blender application to open it on your desktop. Wait for Blender to finish loading completely before continuing to the next step. Once the application is open, look at the menu bar located at the top of the Blender window. Find the option labeled Edit among the available menu items. Move your mouse cursor toward the Edit menu and position it directly over the label. After that, click on the Edit option to open a drop-down menu containing additional settings and tools. From the list of available options, look for the item called Preferences. Carefully move your mouse cursor down to the Preferences option and click on it to open the Blender Preferences window. When the Preferences window appears, search for the section labeled Get Extensions. This section allows you to view and manage extensions that are available within Blender. Move your mouse cursor to the Get Extensions option and click on it to open the Extensions Management area. After the page loads, look toward the top portion of the list. There, you will see a collection of extensions that are currently installed in your Blender application. Review the list until you find the extension that you want to remove. Next, move your mouse cursor to the arrow associated with the installed extension. This arrow provides access to additional actions and settings for that specific extension. Click the arrow to expand the available options. Once the menu is expanded, look for the option labeled Uninstall. Move your mouse cursor carefully to the Uninstall option and select it by clicking once. Blender will immediately begin the removal process for the selected extension. In most cases, no additional confirmation is required. After the uninstall action is completed, the extension will be automatically removed from your Blender installation and will no longer appear in the list of installed extensions. You have now successfully uninstalled the extension from Blender using the Preferences and Get Extensions menus. This process is quick, straightforward, and easy for most users.